Good afternoon. It's now another work day. Would have worked last Friday, but things got a bit busy, and so I didn't manage to get any work done, which is why there's only going to be 2 videos this week. Last time round, we finished the knife off to this degree. That's pretty much all the forging done. It's 13 inches now, about, from that kind of the bottom of that groove to the nearest point of the tang. So, today we're going to be working on grinding it. I'd like to try and get the the profile ground in, and hopefully start on the bevels. So, I'll catch you out in the shop. And there we have it, folks. I got the profile knocked out today. All the filing I did really was down here. You can see I filed in the step there. That is to make it so that the guard can fit nice and snugly right up against there without being loose because of the handle. Got the tang itself all nice and profiled. That's pretty much as wide as the handle's going to be. I'll probably thin that down a bit more, but it's coming along. Ground. That all nice and true. Starting to look really nice. But dinner's ready and I'm pretty dang hungry, so calling it there for the day. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing to see our future videos and to see how this project turns out. And that's really all for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time.